Arriving on the wing, Jackson's widow birds also seek fresh grass. This male wants a mate. By carefully selecting grass blades, each trimmed to the correct length, he's creating something very special. The stage is set. His bachelor pad is sufficiently neat and tidy to attract a female. The problem is, can she see it? It might take more than a little gardening to impress the ladies. Jumping is the right idea, but he's misjudged the height of the grass. His rival makes it look easy. Time to raise his game. It's not only who jumps the highest, but who can keep doing so the longest. Unable to go the distance, his rivals drop out one by one. Stamina has won him admirers. Now he can show off his courtship arena and engage in a little romantic hide-and-seek. Finally, he's done enough.